Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet and Handcraft. If this is your first time, my name is Anisa. Today you will learn how to make this pretty flower. In this I use four colors: yellow, sea green, red and orange. And I am using this 5 play cotton yarns, and we need scissor, 3.5 millimeter hook, and we need a needle. You can also work with a 4 millimeter hook. Let's start. So let's start with yellow color. First make a slip knot. Now insert the hook into this hook. Make 6 chain. Insert hook into the first chain. Make a slip stitch. Now make chain 4. Okay, I make chain 3. Yarn over. Insert hook into this circle and yarn over, pull through up. Make a double crochet, chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, make double crochet one more time, so in this circle we repeat 8 times, 2 times double crochet, 1 chain, then 2 times double crochet. Now make chain 1, yarn over, okay, repeat this process. We will meet at the end. So in this circle we have double crochet 16, so first complete this. We will meet at the end. So guys, I reach in a last this double crochet. Now chain 1, make a slip stitch, and in this third chain now cut this yarn, got this back. Okay, now we use a second color, is green. First make a slip knot, now in this we work in this where we make a chain 1. You can see there is a gap, chain 1. Okay, you can see here, this is chain 1, this is chain 1. So we will work into these stitches. I'm starting from where I end. You can start from anywhere. Now in this make 3 chain, now make again in this, now I make double crochet. Now make chain 2, yarn over, again insert hook into the same space, make again twice time double crochet. Okay, again. Now skip these 2 stitches. Now insert the hook into next single chain space. I am grab this along with me. I done 2 double crochet. Now chain 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the same space. Skip these 2, leaving this. Now make again double crochet, 2 chain, then double crochet. So guys, repeat this process, we will meet at the end. So guys, I am doing a final double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in this. You can see 1 2 3, third one. Make a slip stitch over there. Chain 1, cut this yarn and cut this back. I want to cut these extra yarns previous. Now we done 2 rounds. Now we used a red color. First make slip knot. Now in this we work in these spaces. Now make chain 3. I done 3 chains. In this we make 7 times double crochet. I done 1 2 3 4 5 6 now 7. Now skip this stitch, insert the hook into this yarn over. Now in this we make again a 7 times double crochet. This is 6 and the next one is 7. Now skip this space and insert the hook into this space. You can see. Now repeat this same process. Okay, repeat this process. We will meet at the end. Okay, so guys, I have done these are stitches. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we reach in a first, so make a slip stitch over there. Now we use a last color, orange. First make slip knot. Now I start from this gap, insert the hook into this orange loop, then insert hook into this green space. You can see, yarn or pull through up and make a single crochet. Now insert the hook into this. I show you this last stitch. And grab this yarn along with. Okay, now make single crochet, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Now we doing in this along every single crochet, but remove this. I want to work on in a back loop. You can work with along only chain, but I want to work with a back loop. make a single crochet in every stitch. Now in this we insert the hook into this space and yarn over, grab this yarn and pull through up. Now make a single crochet over there. Now make single crochet in every single stitch. Now we reach in this longer one. Repeat this process. Repeat this process. We will meet at the end. So guys, I reach in final stitches. Now this stitch, insert hook over there and yarn over, pull through up and make slip stitch over there and make chain one. Now cut this yarn. Now secure these yarns. I wanted to cut this red one. I'm putting these both yarn. Now cut these both. Can see this is our final look. I hope so you love this, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe and still connected with me for more interesting video. Bye bye.